In this video, we are going to check the FeiyuTech Scorp Mini. Cue the intro. What's happening, beautiful people? My name is Jim and welcome to the channel. Here we review gadgets that can help make our lives a little bit easier. So if you're interested in videos like that, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on that notification bell. And I also have my show notes down in the description box below so you can check it at any time. Also, if you want to support this channel, I do have my affiliate links down there as well. Alright, so for today's video, we are going to unbox the FeiyuTech Scorp Mini. So basically, this is a 3-axis gimbal. And I got this from their Kickstarter program that they did. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what's inside. As you might notice, that's the, as you can see that right there. And right there. So it's a smaller version of their bigger one, I guess. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's inside here. Oh, they taped it. Okay, let's do that. Safe. Okay. Ta-da! There you go. So first off, you've got these documentation. So quick start guide. Then for some more features, you can use this QR codes there to go into directly to the links that they have. And please do not power on the gimbal until balancing card. You know, just a warning card. And what's this small one? Oh, so this one's a tiny instruction thing. Oh, this is for how to use the gimbal for your cell phone. Okay, so that's that. Next, ooh, fancy. There we go. That's what's inside the box. So, as a Kickstarter supporter, I have a tripod. Okay, I have, what's this? So I'm assuming these are all the cables that they have and everything like that. Yeah, so all the cables. It's in this small box here. Then I've got a couple of plates. Okay. They're metal, I think. Yeah, metal plate. Which is good. Okay. And now I have the actual, oh, I have another one here. And I believe this is for the cell phone. Okay, let's go ahead and take out this bad boy. Ooh, like super. Ta-da. Okay, anything else inside? Nope, that's pretty much it. Okie dokie, let's put this on the side here. And let's put this tripod on so that we can see there. That's how it looks like with the plate and on. So I gotta figure out how to put this on, but we need to rebalance this. This is actually pretty nice. So you can hold it like that, or you can hold it like that. Okay, so on the unit itself, there's a few things, a few buttons. Of course, we have the screen here. So I'm not too sure if this is, don't remember if this is touchscreen or not. I'm assuming not. And then some bidirectional switch here, manual, record, F1, function 1, and then another function 2. We have FPV button, and I don't know what that is. And here's, I think this is the lock button. Yeah, so now it's unlock, and now it's locked. Okay, and of course you have the trigger button here. Oh, and a follow focus, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I hope I'm right. And a USB-C charger there. Okay, so that's it for now. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna charge this, I'm gonna try it out and see how it will work. Alright, beautiful people, thank you very much for sticking with me until the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, as well as don't forget to click on that notification bell. And as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye!